YouTube, welcome back guys. Today is a drop for the Off-White and then Nike Air VAPORMAX. This one is the 10th. This one is going for $250. So as you know, they dropped this today around 7 o'clock in the morning with the Nike sneaker app. So we had to log into our account in order to try to cop this. So if you don't have an account, you gotta set it up and then log into it, and you gotta pre-fill either your credit card numbers and your billing address so they can ship to you the shoes. So this one has a clear, very nice clear outsole, the air pockets, and then black color on the top silhouette. You got this nice clear swoosh Nike logo with the orange tab, and then the red zip tie. So every time it seems like every time we try to cop this, and then we can never get it. I'm not sure if it's due to internet connection or what's going on, or some people they're using like a bot or something, or I don't know. So as you can see right now, I'm trying to enter it, size. Somehow I cannot scroll down with the mouse, so I don't know. So I just select size 8 and then click on it. So I'm in the drawing right now. So what the? I got my credit card statement. What the? So you click on proceed, and after that you gotta sign in and password and everything, and then now you're on the the entry is in your entry for the drawing. So I'm not sure who get picked on the drawing, because every time it seems like every time we goes in, and my two sons, they went in their app and then never got selected. And I went in there too as well, so I'm not sure who are the winners are. So yeah, let's go. Let's get this started. So anyway, I'm gonna fast forward this so you guys don't wasting that many times on the waiting. See, at the time we still have about 8 minutes something in order to find out the result. So in case you guys missed it, I already got the white pair with the clear blue, baby blue outsole. It is very nice and very comfortable. Got a free sample, and then for you guys to check it out. If you guys want to check it out, go check out the link that's going to show on below, or toward the end of this video. It's better than this pair, I believe. Last time they have black on with the black airbag on the bottom, or air pockets, and this one is the one with the clear. So if you know the other VAPORMAX, they have so many colorways. So I guess they try to mix and match with the different outsole. So I was hoping that we could get this, but unfortunately there's no luck. So why am I doing this then? What the hell? Huh? What is the problem? Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, and then like this video, and then subscribe to the channel if you guys haven't do so yet. Be sure to turn on that bell for notification, and drop any other comments on below. see if you guys cop any pairs or not. Alright, so thank you for watching, and I will see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace out, guys.